How to use the buy feature on the Coast platform. First, go to the Buy, Sell tab on the left-hand margin, and ensure Buy is selected. Then, in the You Pay box, enter the amount of USD you'd like to spend. Don't worry if the You Receive box initially shows 0. Click the Check Price button to fetch pricing data. The Check Price button queries liquidity pools on PulseChain for pricing. Once the price is available, the button will update to show how many tokens you can purchase, and the You Receive box will populate with the amount. After reviewing the details, click Buy to initiate the purchase. A pop-up will appear with the message Buy initiated, and your order will be marked as pending. Please note that these orders aren't instant, as several on-chain transactions happen in the background. Typically, transactions take 4 to 8 minutes to process. After the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the purchase tokens will be sent directly to your connected wallet. You will see a confirmed status for both the trade and send transactions at the bottom of the page. If you ever have a question while using the Coast website, please don't hesitate to reach out to our world-class customer service team. To inquire with the team, go to the text icon at the bottom right of the screen. A message box will appear, then you can directly message our team. We will promptly respond and help you through any questions you may have.